생존 여행 영어 시작합니다. 관광지에서 전시물에 대한 질문을 할 때
Hi, could you tell me more about that artwork near the entrance?
Sure. It was created by a contemporary artist from New York.
Is it part of a special collection?
Yes, it's from our featured collection called Voices of the City.
I saw some interesting installations in the last room. Are they related?
Yes, they all follow the same theme of modern urban life.
Is this part of your current exhibition?
That's right. The current exhibit runs until next month.
The labels seemed a bit brief. Do you have a more detailed guidebook?
Yes, you can find one at the front desk, or ask a curator for help.